some more parts of activity. So we'll be doing everything.
So this is our one-seater hover bike. But what we're building for Ruben is gonna be a two-seater. You want? What do you want? 180, 200?
Yeah, because 200.
We'll do 200 then. Okay. Everybody clear? It's very different in person.
Very different.
It's very different in person and in video. So that's why one of the reasons why.
How the highest?
It depends on your.
Your stomach?
Yeah. I'm not a fan of heights, so for me, I can go about probably 100 feet. That guy, the skinnier one of my guys, I've seen him do like 150, 180 feet. Yeah, because he's lighter than me, he's like 10 kilos lighter than me. And he doesn't have a kid. So he's very, very brave. So, but what I like is like the cruising.
Got it.
So this is like.
Yeah.
Because I'm excited.